Take control of your shower experience with the customizable comfort of the HydraChoice body spray system. With 50 degrees of adjustability in all directions, you can aim the water where you want it. The 4 interchangeable spray options allow you to enjoy the water how you want it. The flush mount design is available with a round or square trim option. The spray heads extend from the wall when the water turns on and can be easily pushed back into place once you're finished. Quickly change spray heads with the wrench provided, giving you the freedom to choose both the pattern and pressure of your spray before and after installation. Select invigorating, soothing, or massaging spray heads featuring H2O kinetic technology that sculpts the water into a unique wave pattern, creating the feeling of more water without using more water. The oscillating pattern of the water also prevents buildup of mineral deposits, making H2O kinetic spray holes self-cleaning. The full spray option features touch-clean soft rubber spray holes that allow you to easily wipe away buildup with just the touch of a finger. HydraChoice body sprays come in a variety of styles and finishes. With HydraChoice, you can make your shower your own. The HydraChoice body spray system, just another way Delta is more than just a shower. See what Delta can do.